Do you feel spiritually bankrupt, financially exploited, and emotionally manipulated by a society that just told you that you could manifest abundance by just thinking positively? Of course you do! You're alive in late-stage capitalism! But fear not, wary mortal, for I have discovered this weird trick to transcend the rotting husk of the economic system devouring your soul. You see, the serpent of capitalism has shed its skin once again. It now wears flowing robes, sells kombucha, and wants you to pay $1,000 to remember your divine essence. Cut the damn footage. And guess what? A $300 spiritual subscription box will not save you! It might smell like enlightenment, but it burns just as quickly as your rent money. This is the real secret. Plant your own food. Turn your damn phones off. Touch the dirt. Breathe in the non-patented air. And stop giving your money to people who call themselves the priestess of financial flow. I downloaded my sacred business model from the 8th dimension. And for only $2,222, I will show you how to activate your money vortex. Activate your... Fuck that shit! Activate your self-reliance, you fools! Here is the real spell. Cook your own meals. Own fewer objects. Read a book that is not just trying to sell you enlightenment, but gives you actual skills. And be kind to each other. Be a part of your community. This bok choy has taught me more than a $3,000 masterclass ever could, ever has, ever will. You do not need to purchase enlightenment. You need community. You need skills. You need potatoes. You do not need to escape the system by purchasing a new identity wrapped in quartz crystals and shame. You need to starve the system by remembering who you were before you were a customer.
Bye.